After having captured the city of Lysychansk in the Luhansk region, Russia is now shifting its focus to the Donetsk region in eastern Ukraine. In the meantime, Ukrainian forces hit a Russian ammunition depot in the Donetsk region at night, causing a massive explosion. Footage of the explosion shows a huge plume of smoke rising into the air as an inferno rages in the distance. Every now and then, explosions can be seen as the ammunition depots burn. Flashes light up the screen as larger explosions are triggered by the burning facilities. The footage was obtained Monday from the ground forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, as well as from the Ukrainian Office of Strategic Communications. The ground forces said, "Fire show in Snizhny, Donetsk region." The blow fell on the ammunition depots of the occupiers. Snizhny is a city located in the Donetsk region in eastern Ukraine, on the border with the separatist pro-Russia Luhansk region. Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. Monday marks the 131st day of the invasion. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that between February 24 and July 4, Russia had lost about 36,200 personnel, 1,589 tanks, 3,754 armored combat vehicles, 804 artillery units, 246 multiple launch rocket systems, 105 air defense systems, 217 warplanes, 187 helicopters, 658 drones, 144 cruise missiles, 15 warships, 2,629 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, and 65 units of special equipment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.